Today we are talking about how to log into Munis. This is for applicant tracking and other supervisory things that you need to do within Munis. So first of all, this is the front page of SharePoint, as you can see, and we are going to scroll down here past the links heading, and there will be a link that says Munis Dashboard, and that is what you want to click on. We can do that on this page, which automatically pops up when you use a library computer, or we can go to the library's 365 section of SharePoint, which is here. So this is my first section of Office 365 SharePoint, and over here you will have a list that says featured links. You will click useful websites for staff, and then a list should come up and we see Munis Dashboard right here. So you will click on either one of those to get to Munis, and both of those links will get you to a login page, which is right here. And so right here is where you have your login to Munis. As a note down here where it says you do not have to put data center / before your username, that is noted here because you are going directly into Munis. There is another procedure if you have to log out of the library system and into Munis's system. If you have any questions about that, please contact the personnel office. This is what you should see when you log into Munis through these methods. So if you don't, please let us know and we will definitely help you. So first of all, your username is always going to start out with 6493. That is in front of everybody's username. And then the rest of your username is going to be the first letter of your first name and the first 3 letters of your last name. So mine is MGRI. Then you can click Tab to go to the password section. If you are having issues with your password for your Munis login on this screen, please contact Lawrence Williams in Finance. We will go over where to get help for each section, but for the password help in this section, please talk with Lawrence and he will be able to help you. So I will click Login. And as you can see, there are several options. I'm going to pick the live database because that is all you need to have to look at what you need to do as a supervisor. So we're going to click on live. And this is what I'm talking about when it asks you to go outside of the library's system and into Munis's system. Right here where it says domain OZ, that means you're on the library system and not Munis's. It's a little confusing, but don't worry, you should be able to go directly into Munis. In case you can't, here's what you need to do. So once again, I'm going to type in my username and password, but since it says domain OZ on here, I'm going to type data center / which gets me onto Munis's system. So I'm going to type my username again and then my password again. Click OK, and that will get you on. And again, sometimes, depending on which computer you are using, you may need to do that as well. So right here we are on the Tyler dashboard first page. This is my first page. And if you have used Munis before, this looks very different. This is version 11.2, and they have done a lot of changes on the front page. So you can go to your favorites, your recent activities, and you can also edit your favorites so that you have what you want to do right here. Or if you're not sure what you need to do, if you don't have any favorites set up, if you haven't done this before, go to the Tyler menu over here and click on it, and it will bring up the full Tyler menu that you are able to view. And just a note on that, I am an administrator in Munis for all of these HR areas. So my menu is much more extensive than yours will be. Do not worry if you don't have all of the information that I have on the Tyler menu. You shouldn't. You should have only what you need to deal with. And in the next section, we will show you how to get there. And you are able to close out of this menu by clicking close. And you can search around on the front page if you would like to. But our next video is about how to get to your job opening so you can view the vacancy notice and approve that. So we will see you there.